I still remember what it was called. His name was Neil. Well, I hope that he's still around.
Well, I hope he is still around, Skarloey, so you can meet him again. That would be lovely.
Well, I said that we would see each other again when he asked the last time we saw each other.
Yeah, I hope so too, Skarloey. Skarloey, Mr. Barsford says that there's something waiting for you at Groven's Gate. You can leave your train there and I'll take it.
Did you say there's something waiting for me back at Groven's Gate?
Yes, but you must move down fast if you want to see the surprise for you.
Right, I'll be there right away. Oh my, if it isn't Neil!
Okay, why it isn't this Skarloey? It's been a long time since I saw you last.
Well, it has been years since I saw you last. So, I think it might be time for a nice reunion chat.
Oh, I am very glad to hear that. Oh, I bet you'd like to know how I survived.
How did you manage to survive all these years?
I was not scrapped. It of course was by pure luck. There was a foreman who had very big sympathy for me. And that foreman, he had a plan.
So, what happened to you with Neil?
He went and forged my scrap details so he could pretend that I was scrapped, when in actual fact I wasn't.
Oh, that is wise.
And I was left in the shed for many years, hidden away from public view, until I was saved by the Sudrian Railway Society.
Well, it is fortunate that you can survive to see today, and I thought that I would never see you again.
And now, here I am. But I have not steamed in years, and they're trying to get me to steam again. But I'm so old, I don't know if I could, as I've not steamed or turned me wheels in years. But it doesn't matter. I am so pleased to see you again, Skarloey. I've wondered where you got to since I saw you last.
It sure is nice to see you, Neil. Things have been going very well. We also got some new engines. Peter Sam, Sir Andal, Duke, Rusty, and there's also Duncan as well. The latter, I might say, he has a tendency to do rock and roll.
Oh, my dear Skarloey, I can clearly see that there's a lot of new engines on your line. I bet your line has grown on strength to strength, like the old Sodor and Mainland Railway did. I was even told a tale from Thomas about a coffee pot called Glynn, who was in the same situation as me. And I tell you, him and I are both lucky to survive. We are both very lucky engines, and we will stay on to show our true heritage. Eh?
I can't wait to have our picture taken, huh? Yeah.